I always like it when something from Amazon.com shows up on our doorstep, especially on a hard day like this. Anyway, this is an Elevators by Elevator Guy, 9200.com Elevators unboxing. It's an Amazon item. It's nothing exciting, but since it was a hard day, it was a very hard day for me and my mom, I decided we'd unbox it. Comes to us from Hebron, from Lexington, Kentucky. There's a new cable in here, so we're going to use the tripod stick to open this. Oh, gosh. Oh, there went an elevator doozy. I plan on direct uploading this. Gosh. This bubble wrap is a pain in the butt. Here's the new cable. Let me pick up the elevator doozy. Let me set that on there. Yeah, I found some chapstick that I can use after I'm done with my shower. Sorry about that. Here we go, we're gonna open this. Oh, I didn't realize that. Oh, I didn't have to do that. I didn't have to do that. We can just open it like this. This bag we can open like this. We can open this bag like that. This is just a random unboxing, but I figured since there's two cords, plastic bag can be dangerous. That's kind of weird. And here they are. These are awesome cables. That's all I'll say. Amazon, you've got awesome cables. So there they are, and that's it. Hey Mom!